And welcome back to the X. To most of us lay people, robots exist only in science fiction, at least for me. But Cincy Wolf students are not only building robots, but also winning championships. Coach Zach Mirzoeff and Captain Tony Pemberton of the Horizon Science Academy robotics team are here, along with Carlos Macias, who's also on the team. So thank you guys so much for coming in. So this is really exciting. You're part of the Horizon Science Academy, local in town, and you just won the Kentucky State Championship for robotics.
Yes, last week we won Kentucky Robotic State Championship, but before that we also attend in Ohio Regionals and Ohio State Championship too.
And what I think is so incredible is this is the first time, has this been the first time that your school has had a robotics team, or the first time that you've entered? Tony, you're the captain.
Well, this is the first time I've been on a robotics team. And I've been at our school for, what, 6-7 years, and I haven't known of any robotics clubs. I know we used to do some stuff with it, but nothing like this.
Well, good for you guys for taking the state championship in your first year. That's incredible. So, Tony, tell me about, is this the prize-winning robot?
No, originally we had a different design last week that we used. This is our own design that we came up with after seeing some of what the other teams did, and some of the other teams, we got some suggestions from them. And we came up with, this isn't the final one, but this is what we have so far.
Stealing some things from other teams, I like it. No, I'm just kidding. So, Carlos, tell me a little bit about how I don't know much about science, that's why I'm in journalism, but tell me about how this works. What does this robot do?
Okay, so this basket, it grabs rings from a peg, 2 rings at a time, and it brings them to another peg, and then depending on the level, you get more points.
Great. So I think this is a wonderful. You're the coach for the high school team, Zach, and I think that you know, a lot of us think of robots as just something fun, but this has a really practical application in factories. And do you think that your guys are really learning life skills?
Oh yeah, it's big opportunity for me and for my students to learn and design the robots in high school, that it will be also a good opportunity for them when they graduate and go to the college. And how you see they come with this robot in the first year.
Yeah. It's incredible. So I can't even fathom how you built it, but can we see it move? Can we make it?
Yeah, they can.
Yeah, we can.
I'm excited. Real robot here at FOX19. You guys are preparing. Is this the robot that you're going to enter in the World Championship?
Yeah, it's going to be on April 24th and 27th. It will be World Championship in St. Louis.
Why are we not turning again?
Whoa. Am I safe? Is this thing going to attack me?
No. It won't attack you.
Okay.
We're just having a hard time turning.
This is so how did you guys, Tony and Carlos, were you always interested in robots and mechanical science, or did this just come about with the club?
This kind of just came about for me. I mean, I know Carlos wants to be an engineer, correct?
Mm-hmm. I want to be a mechanical engineer when I go to college.
Mechanical engineer? Mm-hmm. Awesome. That's a great job.
Yeah.
So did you always want to do that, or did this kind of foster that interest?
Yeah, it interested me. Just building a robot. I mean, you know.
Great. So you guys are going to the First Tech Challenge World Championships, the Robotics World Championships in St. Louis in April. So what do you think your chances are? I think your chances are pretty good.
If we work a lot more, I think we might stand a chance of competing.
Great.
There will be a lot of teams there who know what they're doing. We'll probably be the only rookies there. So we'll just play our cards and see where it takes us.
Well, for rookies, you guys have come pretty far already. So Zach, what do you think of your team?
I hope we will do a lot more better because I believe in my students and I'm proud of them. You know, to be in between 128 teams and from all the world, like it's coming from China and India and Russia. It's going to be very
stiff
fun,
competition, but I have faith in you guys. The Cincy Wolves, thank you guys so much for coming on to the show. Zach, Carlos, and Tony. Thank you, and good luck in April.